This is how we tune without any instrument. Once we did every day the checking with the piano or with the guitar or with a camera tone. We have the A well memorized, and then we go for any other sound using the tones and the demitones, semitones. Today I was thinking to do the first step in projecting the sound. It's a different type of projection when we talk about women's voice, and slightly different when we talk about men's voice. Why do I say that? Because we have a head voice for the women and we have the chest voice for men. Of course, we have the breathing that has to be very well sustained by the diaphragm. This is what I'm saying about chest voice, and the same thing, but we are thinking that the sound has to be around here at the sinuses. No vibrato, just something very straight. The diaphragm, that's why we have to train the diaphragm every day. And the vibrato will go from the diaphragm. Let's remember how we do that specific hissing breathing that trains the diaphragm. And if you want, we start with that for the projection. Okay, let's do it again with the open mouth. First, we do the one with the chest, but the same image we have here, and then we have the image here for the mask projection. Okay, everything is in practice, so don't forget practice, practice, practice. This is Veronica from Sing Away by Veronica, and I'll see you next time.